Intelligent Biosolutions is a medical technology company on a mission to redefine the approach to testing by delivering pain-free, accessible solutions that drive change and improve the quality of life. We're listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol INBS. Our flagship innovation, the Intelligent Fingerprinting Drug Testing Solution, is the first and only of its kind in the global drug screening market. Backed by a growing portfolio of granted patents, including our 6th U.S. patent issued in 2025, our non-invasive portable technology uses fingerprint sweat as a sample, enabling fast, hygienic, and dignified testing without the need for saliva, blood, or urine. With more than 450 active accounts across 24 countries, our solution is trusted by organizations in construction, manufacturing, logistics, transportation, mining, rehabilitation, and law enforcement. Supported by a strong and expanding distributor network, we help drive safer decisions every day across job sites, treatment programs, and public safety settings around the world. Our focus is clear. We are accelerating international expansion across key regions in North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, adapting to local markets and entering new industries where rapid, evidence-based testing enhances safety and well-being. Our work is grounded in science and driven by a team committed to doing things differently. We believe innovation must be responsible, actionable, and solve real-world problems. That's why we create effective, scalable, and adaptable solutions. We are transforming what's possible in non-invasive testing and beyond, paving the way toward a future where health and safety solutions are simplified, equitable, and accessible to all. Intelligent Biosolutions, pioneering pain-free testing solutions.